So far on the trip, we've had delays, bike problems, and getting a few things stolen from the bike. But none of that matters now, because I finally made it to my first volunteering stay in northern Spain. And honestly, I had absolutely no idea what I was walking into. 8 kittens, 3 dogs, 2 horses, and the smallest cocks I've ever seen in my life. On top of all this, meet Jay. He's a wacky musician living off-grid here in the mountains and trying to prove that you don't need lots of money to have a proper adventure. I've travelled over 850 miles from the UK on a budget of... Wait till the end of this video while I'll break down the costs and give you a cheeky code to help you save money like me. For the next 2 weeks, this place is home, where I'll be trading building skills for food and accommodation. And on my days off, well, that's where the real story begins. I have one mission: to explore the wildest mountain regions in northern Spain. Welcome back to Bike Louder Than Budget, episode 6, Mountains and Madness.
There we go, the new driver with the right engine gears.
The right hand changing. What?
And the crackheads that they want.
We start off the vlog by heading into town. We had to pick up Jay's dogs on the way in because they escaped from the land and were running amok in town. We also had to get materials and shopping for the week.
No, because when we were childs, you were having like some of those, but with candies inside.
I thought you still were.
I was introduced to this new theft trick. I'll break down the shopping costs with everything else at the end. Shopping over, we made a start on the main project over the next couple days. Jay wants to build this deck on the side of his winter property, so I'm getting started leveling out the ground, putting in the supports and building the frame, while Jay, he does his thing.
Hey, con qué?
Other than working, I've been spending my time trying to capture the magic of this place and how isolating it is to be here. Jay is living completely off-grid. The electricity comes from solar panels, the water from the spring, and for the toilet, well, that's a bucket with some leaves in. It is super basic, but just look at this place. I definitely think it is worth it. Jay is actually selling this property. It is up for sale now. Link is in the description. Go take a look. Living up here, there's no surprise Jay has so many animals to keep him company. In addition to these, the neighbour has 2 donkeys as well. Occasionally Jay and his really good friend Jamie, who is also into music, they like to go surfing together. I couldn't miss this opportunity to practice shooting someone surfing with the drone. Ended up making a little reel for Jamie. The link is below. This is the real reason I'm here. My day's off. I get up at 5 AM as I don't know how long this loop is going to take with all the filming I want to do.
Crackhead.
And already we've hit a problem.
Okay. How do I get out? Oh, I can't go that way. Well, we're gonna have to build a ramp. Ooh, perfect. Ramp built, let's have it. That was nerve-wracking, but we done it. Thank you, Bridge.
Quick stop at Jamie's to use his electricity.
Video on. Bag packed. Battery charging.
Let's go get some fuel.
Ready for your road. Petrol sorted. Now we're off to go ride up a mountain, or at least try anyway. Right, I missed a fucking turning. Fucking typical. Sunrise on these mountains. Look at that. Beautiful!
Honestly, I'm getting ecstatic for the start of this day. There's only one problem, and it's not having to pay for the toll road.
That mistake cost me €5. 65. Oh, fuck me, my hands are freezing. Do I regret not bringing a jumper? Yes. Let's get some heat in my hands so I can fly my drone, because there's no other really way of showing you what I've come here to see. That's better. Alright, let's get the drone out. I haven't put the SD card in the drone. Fucking hell, that could have been disastrous if I left it in my laptop. But luckily it was in my camera case. My god, is this fucking beautiful. Like, that bridge is insane with the sun rising behind it and going through these low clouds. Whoa, this place is fucking stunning. Absolutely fucking stunning. Right, let's go. Look, it's so cold, the mirror's fogged up, and my visor as well.
Short ride over to the cause of all this water.
God, I was not expecting to be able to ride over the dam. Let's go up there. Another problem about missing that road is that I'm now not going to arrive at the pizza place in time.
I'd love to get the drone up, but there's quite a few swallow nests nearby. They are the most defensive bird when it comes to their nests and the drone. I'm just going to have to enjoy some pictures.
Okay, I'll have tea.
Yeah.
Tea.
Tea. Right? No.
That's all I got.
Oh, okay.
I know.
No. It's cold.
It's cold. So am I.
For you?
Oh no.
Thank you.
Thank you very much. You too.
I got two €50 notes and I'm really struggling to break into them.
Anyway,
Managed to pay in the end, took a fucking while, but no pizza. Pizza's later. So he did give me a fuckload of like little pastry things which were fucking delicious. What a fucking spot. So for this place, what I got from the gist of the signs and the pictures is all of this used to be sheep farmland, and then they built the dam and flooded it back, and this is the remain of all the shepherds' houses and communities that were here. And they also have like a special breed of dog that's breeded here, that's like to this rural area. I'll put a photo up.
I'm staring through your window, looking up at the stars. See how bad I need it.
Well, that was fucking awesome. Back to the bike and on to the next spot.
11 minutes down the road. Christ, that's close.
Bad. Not fucking bad. This is only the start of the loop we're doing today. It's quite a long loop, but my god does it get good near the end. It just amazes me how there's just no one out here. You know, there's no one, everyone's at work or something like that. There's just no
No one's out having a look at this place. I don't understand why that now looks so much better than it just did. Just give it water, mountains, and silence. We need to add that, just absolute quiet, except from this thing ticking. Can't believe how this place just keeps surprising me. Anyway, I've got an hour and a half ride now, all the way up this mountain. Oh, there's so many bugs.
Here we are, right at the start of probably one of the most epic roads I've ridden in a long time.
Oh, fucking road!
I'm completely in my element here. This is what I came all this way for.
Fuck me, what a ride! My hand is sore from fucking all the heavy braking. I should probably apologise to my mother for doing that. You'd think there'd be more barriers, like some of those edges are like, oh, fuck. One mistake and you're fucking toast. Let's go see if we can find some food.
What a hopeless endeavour that turned out to be. And yes, all I've eaten today is those cakes.
So peaceful.
Back down the mountain and time to start heading back towards home.
Back where we started this morning. What a ride that was. Christ. That was fun. We should do that again. Well, I've hit a slight impasse.
Everyone said travelling Europe was expensive, so how much have I actually spent? After riding 850 miles from Wales to Spain, I've spent £256.68, including the ferry, 5 days of travelling, food, fuel, that all equals to 1 week in Spain. This first week staying at Jay's, I've spent £51.50 on shopping, as Jay only covers 2 meals per day, and definitely not the ones on my day off. 1 tank of fuel, and let's not forget about that tea and cakes, which was £1.22. What a legend. Shout out to that cafe. So I've still got £743.32 left for the next 2 months. Either way, this is going really well, or I'm about to be in serious trouble. If this kind of travel speaks to you, working your way around the world, I've got a discount code for Worldpackers. It's how I find opportunities like these everywhere I go. In the next episode, we get an additional horse, work starts on the main house, I have teeth problems, and we explore deeper into the mountains.